The simple morning routine that will transform your life in 30 days. 1. Rise and shine early. You are already ahead of 98% of people if you are awake early in the morning. Make a timetable for sleeping for at least 7 hours. It enhances you. Concentrated, recharged, more time to pursue your goals. 2. Exercise for 45 minutes or more. Participate in strict exercise. Your energy levels will increase, and your mood will get better. A major life hack that will multiply your productivity by 10x. Do these. Push-up, sit-up, and crunches. 3. Take a cold shower. A cold shower is preferable to a cup of coffee in the morning. This is why. It relieves stress. It is an excellent energy booster. It boosts your immune system. 4. Skincare. Be more hygienic and take care of your appearance. Make a skincare routine for yourself. It improves your glow, it slows the aging process, and it makes you feel more confident. Learn the fundamentals of everything and begin reading some fashion blogs. 5. Eat a healthy breakfast. To give yourself energy and attention for the day, fuel your body with wholesome foods. Make these things happen. Drink some cold coffee. Eat some fruits and eggs. Early in the morning, stay away from garbage. Rewire your beliefs, change your habits, reach your goals, make more discipline.